Number 3 asks you to plot these numbers: 1/5, 1, 9/4, 3, and 4.6. So in order to plot them, we need to have them all have the same common denominator. So 1/5, 9/4, and 4.6. What all do those have in common? We could use 20 as the common denominator for all of them. So 1/5 would be 4 times 4 to get a denominator of 20. So 4 over 20. 9/4, which is also equal to 2 and 1/4, would be 1/4 times 5 over 5, which equals 20, and 5 over 20 is 2 and 5/20, and 4.6 is equal to 4 and 6/10. So 6 over 10 times 2 over 2 would give us 12 over 20. So 4.6 would be 4 and 12/20. And 1 and 3 would be equal, 1 would be equal to 20 over 20, and 3 would be equal to 60 over 20. So I already started my number line, but I haven't put the tick marks in, so I'm going to go through and do that. So I can go ahead and plot 1 on there. 1 would be right here, and it could also be counted as 20 over 20. And 3 would be right here, and that would be 60 over 20. Now we need to go through and count the tick marks to plot the remaining numbers. So 1/5 would be 4/20. So we'll count 4 tick marks after 0. It'd be right here. I'm going to get a different color. So here would be 4/20, or 1/5. The next would be 9/4, so that would be 2 and 5/20. So we're going to count 5 tick marks after 2. So it'd be around here, which is 9/4, or 2 and 5/20. The next number would be 4.6, and so that would be 4 and 12/20. So 12/20 would be 12 tick marks past 4. And you could also count these as improper fractions. And so you could, if you wanted to, you could count this like 2 and 5/20 as 45/20. And 4.6 would be 92/20. If you wanted to write them down as improper fractions. And so this is how you'd solve number 3.